Well, good afternoon, tax dodgers. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Motorcycling with the Fatboy. I am the Fatboy. We're back in the Fatboy shed again today. You may recall the Wirus Win. Beautiful, beautiful end-can slip-on being fitted. Today's the day where we try it out for sound. Let's get the old girl off the hoist for a start. See you soon.
Okay, let's go.
Right. Let's get the big girl off the hoist and we'll get out and have a ride. Alright, tax dodgers, we're out. Never actually heard this pipe outside of the shed yet, so I'll just kick her in the you know what, and we'll see how it sounds. Give her a little warm up, and we'll see how it sounds out in the road. So there's the Wirus Win, and zero baffle at the moment, not a sausage. Wow, she's got some bark. All right, I'm going to get the glad rags on and get a microphone in helmet so that I can talk to you while we're testing. And let's see what it's like out in the road. See you soon. Well, here we go, tax dodgers. Wirus Win slip-on end can, no baffle. Word on the street is that it really starts to sing above 5,000 RPM. So, I guess we're about to find out. So I can tell you straight away, it's louder than the Kawasaki OEM end can. Even though the OEM Kawasaki can is pretty hollow, but it does have a little bit of restriction in there apparently. So anyway, beautiful day out here in Central Vic. We've had some absolute shockers. We're just into February now, and we had some 40 plus days there, or 4 or 5 of them, 40 plus up to near 50 in a week, and it was shocking. All right, here we go. Well, folks, dodgers of all tacks, we are back. We've punted the Z900N highway speeds. We had a little bit of a punt around town, 60 kilometres an hour. Been up the gears, been down through the gears. And I've now got a very good idea of the unbaffled Wirus Win. Anyway, I'll pull in, get all my hot gear off, and we'll have a little bit of a chat about where we go from here. See you soon. Welcome back, Tax Dodgers. Got the cool gear on now, off the bike. So that was very much a voyage of discovery. As I said on the way up the driveway, I did highway speeds. I got up it for the rent. I did a little bit of riding around town up to 60 kilometres an hour. Here in Australia, we have some interesting terminology that people who don't live in Australia might not be familiar with, but a turn of phrase which is probably appropriate in this situation is shithouse. The absolute open pipe with nothing in it. There is nothing to like about it. It's as noisy as all get out. On the overrun, it sounds like a Kenworth truck that's got the Jake brake on. It makes some really funny woofy sounds on the gear changes, and it's just offensively loud. It's just not good. So that's out, we're done with that. Next step, this is the Wirus Win supplied baffle. Fits in the end like that. So I might let the bike cool down, get a little bit of exhaust jointing RTV and run around there to get a nice seal, pop it in and see how it goes with the baffle. If this is no good, there are other baffle options I can try, but we'll just see how we go. Anyway, if you don't know, you don't try, or is it the other way around? If you don't try, you don't know. That's it. Now I know the absolute open 3-inch Wirus Win, definitely not for me. All power to you if you like it, but it's not the Fat Boy's cup of tea. Anyway, that's it for now. Like, share, comment, enjoy, do all the stuff. Thanks for joining in to Motorcycling with the Fat Boy. I am the Fat Boy, and myself, the Wirus Win, and the baffle for the Wirus Win, and Blue will be back to see you soon. Darky out.